One of the services I'm frequently asked to provide for my corporate clients is helping them solve inter-team conflicts. It doesn't matter what type of organisation you work in, conflict between teams happens, and I'm guessing you've likely experienced it for yourself. To understand the interplay of collaboration and competition, it's really insightful to look back at these behaviours through the lens of evolution. From our ancestors' tribal behaviours to the intricate interplay of personalities in contemporary teams, the evolutionary perspective reveals compelling insights into the dynamics that define our workplace interactions. I'm Jo Banks. I've been a professional executive business coach for 15 years, and I'm sharing what I know. The evolutionary roots of team dynamics. Number 1, tribal instincts building communities. Human evolution was marked by the formation of tribes, small communities that provided safety, support, and resources for its members. In the workplace, teams echo this ancestral tendency, serving as modern-day tribes where individuals collaborate for shared goals and mutual benefit. Number 2, survival and cooperation, strength in unity. In ancestral tribes, cooperation was essential for survival. Individuals who could effectively collaborate were more likely to thrive. This evolutionary inclination towards cooperation has transcended time, influencing the dynamics of modern workplace teams. Number 3, hierarchical structures, leadership in tribes. Tribes always had leaders, individuals who emerged as guides and decision makers who everybody looked up to and followed. The hierarchical structures observed in contemporary teams mirror this ancestral pattern, where leaders provide direction, coordination, and support. Tribal behaviours in the 21st century workplace. Number 1, in-group dynamics, us versus them mentality. An evolutionary legacy, the in-group, out-group dynamic, is observable in workplace teams. Teams may develop a strong sense of camaraderie and collaboration internally, fostering a collective identity that differentiates them from other teams. We also see an element of protection of team members and the leader, as well as resources such as time and equipment, in the same way that our ancestors protected the tribe and resources from both rampaging opposing tribes and predators. Loss of members or resources, which were incredibly scarce back in the day, would fundamentally impact the tribe's ability to survive. So protecting the team at all costs is very much an evolutionary tactic for survival that's deeply rooted in our DNA. Number 2, social hierarchies, leadership and fellowship. The formation of social hierarchies is an adaptive trait that allows tribes to function efficiently. In the workplace, this translates into the natural emergence of leaders and followers within teams, reflecting the evolutionary need for a structured organisation. Number 3, communication patterns, non-verbal communication. In ancestral tribes, non-verbal communication was crucial for survival. In the workplace, body language, facial expressions, and other non-verbal cues continue to shape team dynamics, influencing trust, collaboration, and overall team cohesion. Number 4, cooperation and competition, balancing acts. Ancestral tribes had to strike a balance between cooperation and competition. Similarly, modern workplace teams navigate this delicate equilibrium. Healthy competition can drive innovation, while cooperation is essential for achieving shared goals. often competition can become unhealthy, leading to squabbling and withholding important information or support or other resources, hindering overall organisational productivity and advancement. How evolutionary insights inform team building. Number 1, understanding genetic diversity in tribes. Genetic diversity was crucial for survival of ancestral tribes. Similarly, diverse perspective and skills within a team contribute to its resilience and adaptability, fostering a richer pool of ideas and solutions. However, it's important to note that we still often have inherent suspicion of outsiders. Again, this is an evolutionary throwback when we couldn't trust interlopers until we were sure about them and their motives. We see this played out today, not only in teams, but in every walk of life. Number 2, intertribal conflicts. Tribes faced conflicts, and effective resolution mechanisms were vital for survival. In the workplace, addressing conflicts within teams requires a blend of communication skills, empathy, and conflict resolution strategies to maintain harmony. Number 3, leadership development, emergence of leaders. Leaders in ancestral tribes emerged based on skills, experience, and the ability to guide the group. However, that wasn't always the case. Often the most aggressive, non-empathetic person rose to the top by trampling over everyone else. Think of that today as the narcissist or even that psychopathic CEO. In organisations, identifying and nurturing leadership qualities within teams can contribute to effective and adaptive leadership. But it's incredibly important to be able to see the difference between skills and experience and willing at all costs, even to the detriment of others. That's crucial to be able to identify those two things. Number 4, collaborative decision-making, consensus building. Ancestral tribes often made decisions through consensus building, especially when the leader was out hunting or scouting. In modern teams, fostering collaborative decision-making ensures that diverse perspectives are considered, promoting a sense of shared ownership and commitment. Challenges and opportunities in modern team dynamics. Number 1, overcoming tribalism. While tribal behaviours can foster unity within teams, they may also lead to divisions if not managed effectively. Encouraging a sense of shared purpose beyond the team and promoting inter-team collaboration can mitigate tribalism. Number 2, adapting to change. Ancestral tribes that could adapt to changing environments were more likely to survive. Similarly, fostering adaptability within teams is crucial in the dynamic landscape of the modern workplace, where change is constant. Number 3, balancing individual and team goals. In ancestral tribes, individuals who prioritized the collective good were more likely to thrive. In the workplace, aligning individual goals with team objectives ensures a harmonious balance that benefits both the individual and the team. Number 4, promoting inclusivity. Evolutionary tribes often face challenges related to inclusivity. In the workplace, promoting inclusivity ensures that teams benefit from diverse perspectives, creating a more robust and adaptable collective. As I mentioned earlier, we are hardwired as an evolutionary tool to aid survival to be suspicious of people who don't look or behave as we do, or even sound like we do. That's why promoting inclusivity, education, talking, and working together collectively is critical in the modern day workplace. Strategies for fostering healthy team dynamics. Number 1, shared vision and purpose. Establishing a shared vision and purpose for the team provides a unifying force that transcends individual differences. It aligns the team with a common objective, fostering collaboration and collective effort. Number 2, effective communication. Facilitating open and transparent communication within the team is essential. Clear communication helps prevent misunderstandings. It enhances collaboration and reinforces a sense of belonging. Number 3, diversity and inclusion activities. Actively promoting diversity and inclusion initiatives helps create a workplace that mirrors adaptability and resilience. It ensures that a wide range of perspectives is valued and contributes to the team's success. Number 4, leadership development programs. Investing in leadership development programs helps identify and nurture leaders within the team. Effective leadership is crucial for steering the team towards goals and fostering a positive and productive work environment. I often work with companies that have promoted people to managers of people, but not given them any training. That's always an issue. Number 5, conflict resolution training. Providing team members with conflict resolution training equips them with the skills needed to navigate conflicts effectively. This promotes a healthy team dynamic by addressing issues promptly and constructively before they spiral. The wrap-up. From tribal behaviours ingrained in our ancestral roots to the intricacies of modern team collaboration, the journey of evolution provides a roadmap for fostering healthy, adaptive, and resilient teams. By applying these insights, organisations can cultivate environments that harness the strengths of diverse individuals, promote effective communication, and propel teams forward towards shared success in an ever-evolving landscape of the 21st century workplace. What next? If you've got any questions or comments on this topic, please leave them in the comments section below. I read everything and genuinely love interacting with you all. As always, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. I'd also be really grateful if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell, because once I hit 1,000 subscribers, and I'm not that far away now, I'm going to start doing lives to answer all of your burning questions. So that's a further reason to hit that subscribe button. Finally, thank you to everybody who watches until the very end, and thank you for your continued support. It really does mean the absolute world to me.